Hi there folks, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm actually somewhere that, even though I would say that I've kind of been by this area quite a few times, I'd never heard that this place actually existed. It's actually called Paisley Moss. It's a wee kind of nature reserve, and I kind of came across it. I think it was the end of last week when I was kind of doing a wee online search, and it's actually in the land, that's owned by Glasgow Airport. So it's kind of it's right on the edge of Paisley, and yeah, that's a bit the irony there. Glasgow Airport's not in Glasgow; it's in Paisley, and I think it's kind of. It's kind of hidden away in a wee corner, kind of through some of the kind of more through kind of like some of the holding bays of the airport itself. I actually had to stop to ask somebody for directions, but I finally found it. So I'm gonna head out in a minute, go for a wee wander and see what I can find. And from what I was reading online as well, it is actually looked after by some of the staff from the airport, and I think there's volunteers, and I don't know if there's any staff from the Hampshire Council or not, but I will definitely put some information, we can have some web links in the description bar below, so if you're interested you can kind of read up a bit more, find out a bit more what's going on, and maybe come and visit. So hopefully you enjoy what you see, and if you are enjoying my videos, please click on that subscriber button, leave some likes, leave some comments, it's always really appreciated. And I'm going to shut up now and go for a wee wander. So it's Paisley Moss, and that's the path up to it there, and yeah, that is the motorway over there. One bit goes to Glasgow and the lower bit goes in towards the airport. Yeah. The main bit of the airport's over that way. So that's kind of why there's quite a bit of noise. That's the Campsie Fells over there. It's kind of capped with the low cloud. And usually on a clear day you'll be able to see over to the Trussocks. But it's kind of quite overcast today. Yeah, even though there is the motorway and the airport, this is supposed to be kind of wildlife haven, because apparently on places like airports and that, you do surprisingly get quite a lot of wildlife. Yeah, I've just missed it with the camera. I don't know if you can see them kind of going through the trees over there, but I came up to this wee raised bit to have a look at just this wee expanse of the peat bog over here, and there was actually 3 deer just over at that wee lone tree. I think they must have heard me because they ran off just before I got my camera out. It does go to show that even though there's all that traffic going by, flying by at 70 miles an hour, you do have wee pockets of wildlife. And I do think it's kind of quite nice that Glasgow Airport is kind of keeping at least a little part of its land wild. Because I think kind of wee bits of land like this does actually remind you that a lot of the Paisley area, or at least kind of part of it anyway, would have looked like this. especially the kind of the low-lying areas, there would have been these wee kind of areas of kind of peat bog and marsh. And unfortunately, a lot of those kind of areas have been drained and destroyed, so that kind of towns and cities can be developed. But there does seem to be a kind of movement towards kind of reinstating landscapes like this and protecting the wildlife that kind of lives and thrives on them. So I think it is always kind of nice to kind of visit places like this and just enjoying just kind of the wildlife and a wee kind of variation of the landscape. So I'm going to keep wandering on and see what else I can find. I think that part of the path continues on towards Shinnin, and the industrial park there. And this wee raised walkway here. Okay, go along here, have a wee nosy. Yeah, just be careful with kind of walkways like this. When it has been raining, they can be slippy. So just take your time and enjoy. And obviously, with wee places like this, they will change and look different depending on the season. And I am coming here in December, so it will look different in the high summer. Well, that's me just finished my wee wander around Paisley Moss. Definitely a wee hidden gem is the fact that I've spent so many years knowing the Paisley area and I never even knew this was here. So it's one of those good places that just needs a bit more love, a bit more attention, and yeah, and I'm tempted to come back down and then maybe the spring or the summer, just kind of see what it's like then. Because I get the impression it will be it'll kind of look different, feel different, and probably more animals about as well. Because again, I'm actually filming this on the 20th, so 20th of December. So I'm round about the winter solstice, and yeah, so it's probably not the best time of year to go visit something like that, but it's still interesting even at this time of year. But it probably will look very different later on in the spring or the summer, so I can always kind of come back down and have another little visit and let you all see what it's like in the summer. So I'm going to sign off just now. Hopefully you all have enjoyed this video, and hopefully it might kind of whet your appetite and you'll come down to Paisley Moss for a wee visit. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.